Is your Chevy Tahoe or Suburban key fob not working reliably? It's likely the battery. Replacing it yourself is quick, easy, and saves you money compared to a dealership visit. This video shows you how to do it. A weak battery can cause issues like failing to unlock doors, remote start problems, and push-button start malfunctions. We'll show you how to avoid these problems. You'll only need two simple tools for this replacement. First, a small flathead screwdriver to help access the battery compartment. Second, a plastic pry tool, which is ideal to prevent scratching or breaking the key fob's plastic casing. And finally, a new CR2032 battery. These are widely available at most drugstores, electronic shops, and online for under $5. Avoid using sharp metal tools that can damage the fob. First, locate the small release button or notch on your key fob. This usually releases the physical key blade if your fob has one. Remove the key blade. Next, use your flathead screwdriver or pry tool to gently separate the two halves of the key fob shell. Insert the tool into the seam and carefully twist or pry until the fob pops open. Be gentle to avoid damage. Once the fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Take note of the battery's orientation. Usually, the positive plus side faces up. Use your fingernail or the pry tool to gently lift the old battery out of its compartment. Be careful not to short-circuit the battery or damage the surrounding components. Now insert the new CR2032 battery into the compartment. Make sure the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces the same direction as the old battery did. The positive terminal is the side with the markings and plus sign. Orient it correctly for proper contact. Place the battery securely in the compartment. A good fit ensures reliable operation and prevents signal issues. Now carefully snap the two halves of the key fob shell back together. Ensure that all the edges are aligned and that the fob clicks securely shut. If your fob has a key blade, reinsert it until it clicks into place. A properly reassembled fob should feel solid and have no gaps. Now, test all the key fob buttons to ensure they work correctly. Start by pressing the lock button to lock your doors. Next, test the unlock button to unlock the doors. If your vehicle has remote start, press that button to start the engine remotely. Finally, test the panic button, which should activate your vehicle's alarm. If any buttons don't respond, double-check the battery orientation using the plus and minus signs, and ensure the fob is properly reassembled. If your key fob still isn't working, ensure you use the correct CR2032 battery. Cold weather and frequent remote starts can drain batteries faster. Consider using rechargeable CR2032 batteries for longer life and environmental benefits. If issues persist, consult your Chevy owner's manual or a qualified automotive technician. Remember, DIY saves money and keeps you on the road.